This is the Santo Niño Chapel of the Carbon Market Cebu Redevelopment. So as you can see, the main structure has finally been completed. Ang finishing touches na lang ang kulang. So look at that. So nagari ang mga lingkuranan. So mura siya dome sa sulod. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 pews, and then there's the main altar. So let's take a look at the giant Santo Niño. Okay, from this angle you can see it. So giant gid siya, dako tayo. The details, you can see the detail. Giant siya. So previously this was the Senior Citizens Park, right behind the Cebu City Hall. I think that's the legislative building, if I'm not mistaken. So circular siya guys. So kita ni mga grounds dali. Dako siya actually, which is nice. So over here na daan going to this building sa City Hall naman dira ang Senior Citizens Affairs nadra. And then na structure behind sa altar, I guess office, and then where the supplies.